Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT for Solutions. In previous video we have learned SQL WHERE clause. In this video we are going to learn operators that are being used with WHERE clause. So we will learn learn all of operators, and we'll perform examples with some of our operators, and then we'll learn more about operators in the upcoming videos, and we will be using throughout this course these operators. Okay, so first operator which we use in with our you can say WHERE clause is equal. So you have learned about this equal operator over here. Look at this, we have used this equal operator with this column. So you can use this equal operator like this. So if I move this one from here, and this is our equal operator. The next operator which is used with SQL WHERE clause is not equal. So this operator is simply not equal. Over here we are using select store from employees where district is equals to Lahore. Then it means that select all of records where employees has district equals to Lahore. Let's say I want to implement not equal. Select all employees which are not from Lahore. Okay, so this is the not operator. You can write this not operator as this, or you can also write like this. But in some variants this operator is used, and in some variant this operator is used, but in SQL Server these both operators are used. Okay, so I am writing query select all employees where districts not equals to Lahore. Select this one. Look at this, we have all employees, but we don't have Ali and another employee that are from district Lahore. If you look at, so execute this query, we are getting employees only from district Lahore, and we have two employees, Yasser and Ahmed. And if we execute this not equals query, we don't have that employees. So this is not equals operator. A lot of cases you will use this not equal operator, and we will implement these operators and these all of basic concepts in the upcoming videos of SQL store procedures. Okay, so next operator is greater than, and fourth operator you can use is less than, and then the fifth operator is, you can say, greater than equals to, and another one, sixth operator is less than equals to, and you can also use between operator. 7 between, and you can also use like operator. Number 8 like operator, and you can also use number 9 in operator. So these are the basic concepts. For example, I am going to select the salaries of employees whose salary is greater than any symbol. So right, we don't have any salary column. Let's try select store from employees where salary greater than 5,000. Okay, so select all employees whose salary is greater than 5,000, or you can say less than 5,000, or you can write greater than equals to 5,000 or less than equals to 5,000. So these are the simple you can say relational operators. And then we have between. If I want to, we will discuss this between in the upcoming videos, because it includes another topic for operators and or operators which we'll discuss in the next video, and then we'll cover this between operator as well. And this like operator is used to specify the search pattern. Look at this, if our query select all employees whose name starts with A. So in cases like this, we can use like operator, and a lot of applications using this like operator for searching data. And we have also seen in the web applications and in the softwares we start writing A and records or loading from database, which implies name starts with a, and we mostly use this like operators with you can say search functionalities. Okay, and next, in to specify multiple possible values for a column. If our column has different values and multiple values, then we can specify multiple possible values. Look at this, select employees where district in and you can specify multiple values. So these are the basic operators which you can use with our SQL queries and SQL store procedures. We will learn about these operators more and more about in upcoming videos. So thank you so much for watching. We'll meet again in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.